Co-op City, New Yorkers will know the area, and signed a 2-year lease on it. All of my money was in my personal account. I was ready to throw my haymaker. So we're now at Thanksgiving. My oldest and his girlfriend were hosting a small gathering of our immediate families. So them, her parents, myself, Sue, and our youngest. We have a great night. My oldest girlfriend is studying to be a chef, and she did all the cooking herself. The girl can effing cook, let me tell ya. As I had to keep up appearances of nothing being wrong between Sue and I initiated affection with her several times that evening. Kisses on the cheek, cute little hugs, wrapping my arms around her shoulders from behind. The gestures didn't go unnoticed by her, as she reveled in it. Bear in mind, this was the first time I touched this woman since I kissed the top of her head the night she confronted me in October. So, just about 2 months. Not gonna lie, I felt repulsed doing it, but I had to. I couldn't risk the plan. And me being distant to her in the face of my boys, my oldest girlfriend, and her parents would set off alarms. So, my youngest decides he wants to stay over with his big bro for the night, so Sue and I head home. On the drive home, she thanks me for being so good to her and says, "I don't know what you're going through, baby, but I'm here for you." I had to hold off busting out in maniacal laughter again and responded saying, "I know, I just need time." So for the first time realistically since springtime, we had sex that night. I figured, F it. With what I'm about to do, may as well get some action before I delete her from my existence. I won't go into detail, but it wasn't lovemaking. When I was finished, she was a lump of flesh, laying there trying to figure out the direction of the truck that ran her over. No cuddling or anything after. I just got up, showered, and went to go to sleep in my office. To her confusion, though, I used a condom. First time 2 damn decades I did. She was definitely perplexed by it, but she didn't ask questions. Sure as hell wasn't going in raw, knowing that she'd been doing so with POS for months at that point. I wake up the next day and check my handy-dandy spy app, and for the first time in weeks, she responded to POS. Dude went full novella. He professed his love for her, said she was wasting her time trying to rekindle a flame in me that died, that she'd been in a prison with me for 23 years and deserved to experience the love and affection of a man who would cherish her. Mind you, this dude is 27 effing years old, 5 years older than our oldest son, and he's that sprung on a 45-year-old married mother of 2? What a grade A, high-quality simp. She chose to blow up our marriage and destroy the home we'd built for this dude? Pretty boy with a soft side? Haha. She responded saying pretty much the same thing she said when they last talked. That she loves him and enjoyed their time together, but she can't lose me. I'm still the love of her life, but she'll always have a place for him in her heart. That they can still be friends if he chooses, but the physical relationship between them is over. He begged her to see him one last time that week, and yep, you guessed it, she said yes. One more for the road, right? Who am I to say anything? That's what I did to her the previous night. Of course, I added all of that to the archive I'd compiled. December 4th is when Phase 3, the final phase of Operation Shinobi Ghost, started. The divorce papers were in hand. My new place of residence was set up. Now I had to slowly start moving my stuff out of the house. But first, I had to break the news to my boys. I called my oldest to the house that Friday night, had them join me in my office, and laid everything on the table. Not the specifics, but that their mother had been cheating on me for over a year, and I was going to be filing for divorce soon. My 17-year-old was especially shaken up by this, because he himself had recently experienced his first taste of infidelity. Yep, his first girlfriend had cheated on him just 4 months prior. Seeing his broken heart a second time at the idea that his own mother was capable of doing this hit him hard. My oldest took it a lot better and suggested taking his brother in to live with him until this blows over, to which I agreed. We packed up some of his stuff and he asked me was I gonna be okay? I told him, yes son, I'm going to be alright, and so are